Hello beautiful people, let me show you how I prepare this easy delicious native stew. All you need is fish, and I will be using only fish, paprika, your pepper and 2 onions, and this is our leaf we are going to use to wrap the rice because it's a native stew with native pattern. First of all, we are going to dry our fish. And next, I'm just going to pour half kg of rice. I parboil it, then I'm washing it right now. Now I'm just going to blend my paprika and the 2 onions I have with the bonnet pepper. If today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe for more, and don't forget to drop your comments. Tell me where you're watching this video from. So our fish is ready, and now we're just going to fry our native stew. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil, you can use palm oil. So we are using this multi tomatoes. Add your onion into your oil, then go ahead and stir before adding your tomatoes. And next, I'm just going to add my tomatoes, then stir, of course. Now the stew is ready, like the tomatoes is well fried. I'm just going to go ahead and pour my green paprika with green pepper. So we are going to allow it to cook for about 1 minute, then we'll come back to put mangi, crayfish, salt. So we are not putting much things because it's native stew. And here is our fish. I'm just going to wash it again because I love washing my fish after drying before putting it inside my soup or my stew. So I use catfish with macrofish. Now, before the stew ready, let's wrap the rice and put them in the corner. What is it? So this is how I wrap the rice. I'm going to wrap it and keep it, allow the flavor from the leaf to go into the rice.
Yeah. No.
So now let's test it. Let's test how it tastes like. I'm just going to dish the stew right now. Okay, our food is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.